Joint pain and discomfort can significantly hinder one's quality of life, making even the simplest tasks seem challenging. However, with Joint Restore Gummies, a revolutionary supplement, finding relief from joint pain is now within reach. This groundbreaking product has been transforming the lives of countless individuals, providing them with much-needed comfort and mobility. Let's explore how Joint Restore Gummies work and why they are widely regarded as the best joint supplement available today. Effective joint pain relief. Joint Restore Gummies are specifically formulated to target and alleviate joint pain. Packed with powerful natural ingredients, including glucosamine, chondroitin, and turmeric, this supplement works synergistically to reduce inflammation, improve joint flexibility, and promote overall joint health. Many users have reported a significant reduction in joint pain and stiffness after incorporating Joint Restore Gummies into their daily routine. Enhanced joint mobility. One of the key benefits of Joint Restore Gummies is their ability to enhance joint mobility. The carefully selected blend of ingredients works to support joint lubrication, which allows for smoother movement and increased flexibility. Whether you're an athlete looking to optimize performance or an individual seeking greater ease in everyday activities, Joint Restore Gummies can help you achieve your goals. Natural and safe. Joint Restore Gummies stand out among other joint supplements due to their natural composition. Free from harmful chemicals and additives, these gummies are a safe and reliable option for long-term joint health. The natural ingredients are carefully sourced to ensure purity and efficacy, making Joint Restore Gummies suitable for individuals of all ages. Convenient and delicious. Taking care of your joints shouldn't be a hassle, which is why Joint Restore Gummies are designed for convenience. These tasty gummies are easy to incorporate into your daily routine, allowing you to enjoy the benefits without any inconvenience. You can simply chew on these delicious gummies, making joint health a pleasurable experience. Trusted by many. Joint Restore Gummies have garnered immense popularity and have become the go-to choice for individuals seeking effective joint pain relief. Countless testimonials from satisfied customers highlight the positive impact these gummies have had on their lives. The exceptional results and widespread acclaim have solidified Joint Restore Gummies as the best joint supplement of today. Joint Restore Gummies are a game-changer for anyone struggling with joint pain and discomfort. Their unique formulation, comprising natural ingredients, works together to reduce inflammation, enhance joint mobility, and promote overall joint health. With its effectiveness, safety, and convenience, Joint Restore Gummies have rightfully earned their reputation as the best joint supplement available. Don't let joint pain hold you back any longer. Take the step towards a pain-free and active life with Joint Restore Gummies.